What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Akropolis, also known as Acro, AKRO, which has been pumping in value over the last couple of hours. As you can see, it is up 31% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.006262. So I did cover this crypto a couple of days ago, about 2-3 days ago, when it was pumping up in value. I did let you guys know, do expect it to drop in value before it goes through another bull run or increase in value, which is exactly what's taking place right now. So what is next for this crypto? Is it time to invest into it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it? That's what we're going to be looking at today, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its next target, how high and how low can it go, and is it a short-term or long-term crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So unfortunately, the market is yet again over 5% down in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin dropping down below the $30,000 mark once again. Obviously, this is in pounds, but if I go back here, as you can see, it's dropped to 29.6k right now. So yeah, it's not looking too great, and most of the other cryptos are also down. But today's video is focusing on Akropolis. So over the last hour, it has just about fluctuated. Over the last day, as you can see, was fluctuating around 0.004 and peaked up in value earlier this morning, and it's still going up in value after a couple of hours. So yeah, it's been doing quite well over the week, 50% up, as you can see here. On May the 29th and 30th, we can see it picking up in value and then dropping back down, and right now going back up in value. And over the month, just like most of the other cryptos, it is down 26% because of the major crypto crash that took place about 3 weeks ago. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 260% in the last 24 hours, making it $78 million. So a huge amount of money is being traded on Akropolis at the moment. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, because the market is down, but Akropolis has been gaining value. So it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, meaning it's getting a lot more attention, a lot more hype, meaning a lot more people will also be investing into the crypto and looking at the crypto, looking into the project and see what it's all about. So let's get straight into the main part of the video. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing Akropolis at 0.04166. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 0.006382, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer for all of you guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we got the blue line and the orange line just about going in a bullish direction. They were looking quite steep, however, it looks like they are slowly starting to come to an end. As you can see, even though they are still looking in a bullish direction, they are just about looking bullish. They're not looking too steep at all. So as you can see, we've seen a peak dip, peak dip, peak dip. So it's been a repetitive cycle over the last, let's say, 12 to 14 hours, consistently going up in value, but there has been dips in between, and that is exactly what I'm expecting to carry on over the next couple of hours. But the only thing is that the peaks won't be as huge as the previous ones. The only reason for that is already gone so much high in value. It will still be going up in value, potentially going to about 0.007. However, dips are always part of the process. So over the next couple of hours, so I'm talking about next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Akropolis, but nothing too crazy. So potentially going a little bit higher than what it's worth at the moment. But again, there must be dips in between. There will be dips in between, just like what's happened here. And as you guys may or may not know, if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I've always said this in most of of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase just like this one here, it has to drop back down in value. It has to take a little step back, and that is exactly what happened last time as well. I did mention to you guys, do expect it to drop back down in value to about 0.004. Yeah, where did it drop down to? That's where it dropped, and picking back up in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, they are looking quite bullish, looking positive. The blue line and the orange line are going in a positive direction. But guys, that doesn't mean we're going to be seeing green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. So towards the end of this week and early next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on Akropolis. But again, it's not going to be anything major, but I'm expecting it to drop down to about 0.05 to 0.045, sorry, 0.005 to 0.0045, somewhere in between, where it should drop down here over the next 72 hours and then potentially peak back up in value towards the end of this week and early next week, and potentially going to about the 0.007 target, or even just above that very early next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking quite bullish, looking again positive. We're not looking too steep, we are slanting towards the positive direction, but that is a good thing because we want the crypto to go up in value in a slow and steady pace. We don't want it to go 200-300% one day and then drop 50-60% the next day, because that's not really stable. We want it to increase in value but slow and steadily. So by mid-July to late July, we should expect an overall increase in value on Akropolis, potentially heading towards the 1 cent target. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, how Bitcoin performs in specific as well. Even though Akropolis doesn't follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin, it still affects it, guys. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my predictions, my takes, and any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Akropolis, either in a positive or negative way. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications. So now that we've done our price predictions, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and want daily price updates and predictions on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. All you guys need to do is simply subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join the group chat, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left, because after that it will increase to $29.99. But don't worry, for the first 100 people who join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So what does this include? Obviously, me showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. This is just a screenshot of the group chat. I'll explain to you guys why I'm buying it, and obviously I'm buying it for the long run as well, and the specific tricks that I use when investing into cryptos. And I also show you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, usually every morning and sometimes twice a day, depending on how the market is performing. Such as today, the market did dip a little bit, so I had to update the group chat twice to what to expect next, and I'll answer your questions and any queries you guys may have, and other people can answer as well. It's just a group chat, or a general group chat, shall I say, and you can ask me for analysis. Like this person here has asked me for analysis on Solana and Ethereum, which I did, but obviously I can't show you because it's a screenshot. But yeah, any questions or any queries you guys may have before you sign up, send me a DM on Instagram. If not, if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Akropolis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, which is not looking too great. As you can see here, we are in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least about 0.02220, which is we're very far away from what we've got at the moment. And for us to hit that target here, we're gonna have to go for a major price increase, which I'm not expecting from Akropolis at the moment. So yeah, looks like for most of the year we are very likely to fluctuate in the bottom half of the red zone. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated if there are any updates that can push the value of Akropolis in a positive way, where we can hit in the green zone. But at the moment, I highly doubt that there will be such thing. But again, if there is, then of course I will let you guys know. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Akropolis. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. And guys, as promised, the 50k subscriber egg is now live. You can check that out using the link in the description box down below to join the giveaway. And again, there's going to be 9 lucky winners that are going to be picking in exactly 2 days, guys. This Friday is when I'm going to be picking the winners. So make sure you get involved if you guys want to win cryptocurrencies. And also, guys, it's also live on my Instagram page as well, so make sure you go check it out for bonus entries. And my next target is 100k subscribers, so it mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button, as it helps me out a lot as well. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.